In this mind-bending video, join us on an extraordinary journey into the realm of extraterrestrial technology and government secrets. What if we told you that aliens secretly gifted the United States with a remarkable flying saucer train? Prepare to have your imagination stretched as we delve deep into the mysterious narrative surrounding this incredible invention. Our detailed exploration includes Alien: The Alien Connection ** uncover the astonishing story of how advanced alien beings shared their knowledge with the U.S., leading to the development of the flying train. Globe with Meridians: The technology * discover the mind-boggling capabilities of this otherworldly train. It defies gravity and travels at unheard-of speeds. Sunrise over mountains: cross-country journeys * will take you on virtual rides across America, showcasing how this revolutionary mode of transportation has transformed travel. Puzzle piece: The government conspiracy * is the government hiding the truth about the flying train? We explore the conspiracy theories that surround this remarkable invention. Glowing star: What's next * could this technology revolutionize the future of transportation as we know it? We discuss potential implications and future possibilities. Join us in this captivating exploration of science fiction turned potential reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending content that pushes the boundaries of imagination. Rocket sparkles.